Hello, content creators. If you think organic traffic on YouTube is dead, think again. The truth is, until the YouTube algorithm starts favoring your videos, you might be stuck with minimal views. Especially if you're a new channel trying to attract the right audience that converts into subscribers or buyers. So, here's the deal. Optimizing your video titles for search engines outside of YouTube. But don't just take my word for it. Let me show you a powerful tool that can make your titles into a traffic magnet. The next time you upload a video to YouTube, follow this simple step. Copy your video title and paste it into Monster Insights. Monster Insights is a headline analyzer tool that's a game changer for content creators like you. It empowers you to craft irresistible SEO headlines, driving more traffic, shares, and better rankings in search results. Key features. With Monster Insights, you get an SEO score based on click-through rate. Your title is broken down into segments, and you even receive a set of words tailored to engage real people. The best part? It's absolutely free. No sign-in required. Don't just hope for views, make it happen with Monster Insights. Elevate your YouTube game by optimizing your titles and watch the traffic roll in. The link to Monster Insights is in the description below. Happy creating, and may your views and subscribers skyrocket.